We got a package from Bubble and Bubble. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? B-A-U, Bull, Bubble, Bubble, Bubble. Love it. Accents and trinkets. So they sent over like 2 necklaces. Let's open it up. We have here a cross necklace. Super love it. And then meron tayong S. Akala siguro niya say, pero Lindsay ako. Pero sige, okay din yan. S. Bongga. Love it. Thank you, Bubble and Bubble. Sorry, no vlog yesterday. I spent a lot of time organizing everything here. So, medyo, it took up all of my time yesterday. Anyway, I am going out right now to run some errands. I have to replace the hooks. I have to buy new hooks. And then, yeah, just gonna be, you know, running errands lang. So, I'll be back in a jiff. Received a bunch of packages, guys. Ang dami nito, including this one. So, let's open it up and see what we have. Maingay na naman yung construction. This one naman, binili ko siya from Japan Home Center or from Daiso. And it is the vase. Since if you forgot, if you watched my other vlog, nabasag ko yung vase ko. So, I have a new one. Good thing they have the exact same vase. And it's the only one left sa store. So, I have that. And then I went to Ace Hardware para palitan yung hook. And people actually suggested that I buy the 3M brand. Actually, ito yung gumagana. So, I'll try this one out. We'll hang the people who love to eat frame later on. Medyo mahal to, guys, sa 194. Nakaka-lurks, ba't ang mahal ng ganon? Tapos, I went to SM since they have like new stuff. Wala lang. Bumili lang ako ng isang basic piece na I think magagamit ko numerous times. So, it is just like a really good quality skirt. I'll bring this to Ad Summit. It's a really long skirt, guys. Ayan. And body hugging siya. At sobrang kapal niya. So, bonggang-bongga siya. I love it. It was really pricey. Medyo 999 siya. 0.75. Nahiya pa sila 1,000 eh, no? Pero, I think good quality naman. Kaya, sabi ko, it's a good addition to my closet. So, I got that one. Tapos, itong vase. So, we got a package from Aven. I missed their event, but they were really kind enough to send over kung ano yung bagong ni-launch nila. Oh my gosh. Yay! Meron silang thermal spring water. Now, this is not a new product, but they sent it over then. Thank you so much! This is my favorite. If you remember, in Japan, I got this, yung maliliit na version. Ito medyo medium. Ito yung bago nila. It's called the Lotion Micellar or Micellar Lotion. And sabi ni Bea, super bongga daw nito. Cleanser and makeup remover. Wow! Bongga. We'll do a review on this. Thank you, Aven. So, yeah. And then, we'll open the other packages over here. And this one, I believe this is for the workshop this coming Sunday. So, almost puno na yung slots, guys. And I'm really excited to, like, you know, hold the workshop again. It's been a while. I love it. This is all from Rusi's Vanity. Next package, we have some Snow Skin products. This is something new. I haven't really tried it, so we'll see if it works, guys. Bongga that. And here's a package from One Earth Organics. I'm not sure if I'm expecting something like this, pero wow, detox fat burner coffee. Tapos meron tayong detox trim. Ano ba ito? Lose weight faster. Bongga. Tapos meron din tayong Zit Zapper. No, Zit Buster pala. And there's a package for my sister too. So I think galing sa friend niya to. Tama ba? I'll go read the note. Thank you so much. Her name is Jam. Thank you, Jam. Bibigay ko kay DC yung isang package niya. So detox trim, it makes you poop. So make sure na hindi kayo lalabas. For this one naman, okay siya. Natural din low lahat and all that. So we will try it and I'll let you guys know kung bongga. Oh, meron siyang Garcinia Cambodia, L-carnitine, green tea. Bongga. Let's try this out. Thank you so much, Jam. So I am done with all my errands for today. I actually have to go to the gym right now just to sweat it out. Kahapon kasi hindi ako naka-gym since nag-ayos ako ng apartment. And after that, I have to film. As in, I have to film talaga. Tambak lahat ng mga kailangan kong i-film. You wanna see? Tambak lahat. Look at that. As in, lahat tambak. So I have to finish filming na para maayos ko naman itong mga part na to. If you are following me on Instagram, you would know that I posted a photo saying na meron akong i-announce. So, I'm putting it in the vlog right now. It's going to be a monthly giveaway to people who comment on my videos, my Facebook, and my website. So, 3 channels or 3 avenues, and I'll be picking up 3 winners every month. And actually, ipopost ko na later sa website ko, saytioco.com, yung mga prizes na pwedeng makuha ng mga magko-comment. Just, you know, hindi kailangan mag-flood. Mag-comment lang kayo regularly, you know, basta kung anong ginagawa nyo, you know, okay na yun. Basta don't spam. Sino kaya to? Don't spam. Just, you know, just comment. I think this is Delicious Diet PH. Hi, thank you. After going to the gym, I have a lot of work to finish, and then yeah, I just really need to like be in the mood. Kasi minsan pag wala ako sa mood, guys, hindi talaga ako nag-film, since pag nag-film ako nang wala sa mood, pangit ng video. So, first things first, let us put up the photo. Let's try it. Medyo weird nga. Dapat they have included like 4 na. 3 lang to. Nakakaloka. Dapat 4. We have here like 4 strips. And then you press the red side. Tinanggal ko yung red. Tapos dinikit ko sa hook. And then you'll be tatanggalin tong black. Tapos ipipress. Pero bawal pa gamitin. For 1 hour dapat nakadikit lang siya. Finally guys, it's up! Yay! Bongga. My very first wall Chuvanes. I love it. Woohoo! Look at the meals for today, guys, from Delicious Diet. Grabe. Lahat mukhang masarap. Breakfast, we have snack, we have lunch, and then we have dinner. Oh, look at that. May bagong tayong basilur tea. It's called Green Freshness. Ah, I love it. Bumili rin pala ako nito, guys, which is my favorite. The on-the-go fusion snack. Forest fruits with a swirl. Available at Robinson's Supermarket. Sa Robinson Otis ko ito binili. Ang sarap niya. I just finished a couple of work online. So, nasubmit ko na yung mga kailangan isubmit. So, now, I am going to set the video or the video collab with Will Dasovich to public because it's gonna go live at 6:30 p.m. exactly 1 minute from now. And then after that, I'm gonna go hit the gym. Bongga! Good workout. Hi! Napagod lang ako. I spent 30 minutes on a treadmill. Tapos nag-stairs and then nag-dip and pull-ups ako. So, yeah, that's the workout for today. I cannot wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Hindi naman so hungry, pero I just wanna eat dinner. Here's my setup for tonight, guys. On the sofa lang with my camera. And I found the battery for my mic, so I'm using it na. I have my 2 lights over here. Again, I did not bother to put on their houses kasi nakakatamad. And I just put over like konting books over there lang. Yan, very simple. 1 video down, guys, and I'm so happy about my G7X because all I had to do was transfer the SD card from my Nikon to my G7X, and then I connected it to the Wi-Fi something. Tapos yun, na-transfer ko na yung photos agad sa phone ko. And that's something awesome talaga about Canon G7X. And I saw that Anne Klutz posted that she bought a Canon 70D. I am actually planning on purchasing the same camera. So, matatanong ko si Anne kung okay ba yun or hindi. So, yeah, I'm switching to Canon. Everything Canon talaga. I curled my hair, guys. Love it. And I'm wearing a new necklace, and this is letter S. Actually, dapat letter L because I'm Lindsay, diba? Pero S, okay na rin, say, diba? And this is from Bobble and Bobble. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I'll have their link in the information box. Instagram shop din sila. Thank you, Bobble and Bobble. Done filming for today, guys. I have to edit na and then go to sleep because it is already 1:43 a.m. Nakakalurks. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! mask we're using for today is from Leaders. Ito yung Coconut Bio Mask with Broccoli. Diba bongga? Saan ka pa? May broccoli siya. All the remaining serum nilalagay ko sa neck, nilalagay ko sa elbow, sa paa, sa kamay. Super bongga.